Bruno, obviously I'm a Snap-on guy, but why did you choose Snap-on?
First of all, we choose the brand Snap-on because from my point of view it's the best tool we can find on the market. And secondly, about the service, I think it's the same. The service is the best service I can have on the market for the tool.
So JP, we're both in motorsport here, and tell us why, in your world, Snap-on is your choice.
For me, that's the best tools that exist, and I work on rally cars and circuit cars, so we really need the best tools when we need it.
Snap-on, there is a difference.